Hey guys, it's me Luis. I have another one for you. This is a 2014 911 Porsche. We're gonna just remove the quarter glass, this Carrera. So this one is easy. You have experience, but if you don't have experience, it could be a little difficult. It's gonna be a little tricky. Just as bolting, but the problem is we have to remove the interior, and everybody hates this when it's Porsche. So now what I did is an extra precaution outside, because what I did is just put some tapes on the moldings, because I don't want to scratch anything, because it's going to be blended. But if you scratch deep, you have to paint more, and this is only blended, so that's why I don't want to do any damage. Just tape it, and that's all going to be fine for you. A couple of tools we need. Let me get one of these sticks, and also we need a 30 torque. We're going to just open this molding. This trim is really easy. I just put this tape because I need to protect the molding, because there's a black strip. It's always easy to damage. So first of all, let me see, because the sun is in front of me. But when you open this guy from here, you will see a little nylon screw. You want to see the screw? It's like a lock. And when you insert the 30 torques, you're going to the left, and that's going to give you access to lose this molding. I'm going to continue doing that all the way here, and that's going to be a different way. So let me just... But now, because I don't want to damage this molding, you can remove the pillar. The pillar, that way you don't have to worry about any problem with the molding when you open the gasket. And this one is easy. Just careful with this frame, because the frame is always easy to damage any part of the leather here. So we're just putting this one right here. Okay, now we have access for this part of the gasket, and you can just remove. This one is the hard piece of plastic. Just careful and don't damage. You bend this one, that's it, a little bit right here, and that's all you have to do from here. Okay, don't pull too much, or you can cut this part of the gasket, because they always make 2 parts or 3 parts on this gasket, a water strip. After that, you're gonna see your nylon Torx bolts right here. We're going to remove part of here, but let me show you how, because these moldings go all the way there. So now let me go inside. I'm going to remove some parts over here. Now I covered the front windshield, if in case the sun is blind the camera. That's it, it's better, right? So this guy, easy, hooks on here. All right, on this point, this little clips really gentle, because if you go this way, you're gonna break it, and that's gonna be a problem, guys. After that, sorry, you're gonna hold this guy, open a little bit, because these clips, remember, we have these ones over here, always the same. I hate these German clips. I don't like it, because they are so hard to do it. Take this one off, save the clip. Now that's it. You see the bolts right here, 1, 2. They have adjusters. You can adjust the height, but don't move that, okay? So let me just take this one off. Remember, this one is hard plastic, don't bend it. And that's it. This way, okay? And you see now you have the access from the bolts right here. What I was talking about you is about the right there, right there, okay? So when you release this guy, so it's gonna be 1 to the left, left, left. I think it's very deep. Left, left. That one was left already. And another one. I did that one, okay? Now when you do that, now you can release this molding, but the molding continuing, and the clips right there, you can just pull it out, but sometimes it's a risk. Okay, and now don't damage the molding. And you see this one is loose. And this one right here, because I don't want to be too close. Sometimes they'll let you do it, so, but you don't have to pull the panel if you don't want. Okay, like there, this guy. You see, the whole thing is coming right there, and let me take the clip. That's it, a little bit right there. Okay, and you see the molding is under here, so I need to release these guys to release that way because we have a clip in the back. Okay, let me show. Okay, we got that one. Now when you with this one, you can release the clip, the molding, I mean, and take it out. When you get that one, put the tape on again. So there's one. Now the molding is very nice. You have access. You're going to do the same way when you put it back on. You see my access is just right here inside with those two clips right there, and put it back on. Okay guys, and this one's coming this way. All right, and that's all. So we'll remove the quarter glass on this 911 Porsche. And now we're going to just put the molding tape. That way we protect our molding with the scratches, because sometimes when we leave the parts in the body shops, next time we come in when the moldings are bended, damaged, scratched, and they say the glass guy did it. You know that if you do body shop. And then sometimes you cannot fight with them because you cannot prove it. But when I have my camera on my head for these cars or expensive cars, nobody can play with me. Okay guys, so thank you so much. So this is the Porsche 911 from Vidriokar Placement. Next time, see you next time.